While there are multiple ways to chemically change the nature of our hair, we at Glamrs rather believe to enhance and accentuate the mane in simple yet effective ways. So here is a complete guide on washing and styling that you can apply according to your hair type. Comment with the word hair to get a DIY guide for your hair type. Silky, straight and fine hair might seem like the ideal hair type because of the ease of managing them. However, a constant greasy scalp, less volume, repeated tangles and limp lifeless strands are concerns that come with this hair type. Wash your hair 3 to 4 times to get rid of the excess sebum production, which makes your hair look flat. Once a week, scrub your scalp with a clarifying shampoo as opposed to a cream-based one that will remove the oil without leaving behind the extra moisture and give them a fluffy and fresh look. Remember to only use a pea-sized amount of conditioner, enough to detangle your hair, as going overboard with this product can weigh your mane down. Use it only at the ends of your strands and be sure that after a wash, you will be left with soft and smooth hair. To add more life and volume to your strands, this simple blow drying technique will be an absolute life changer. Prep your hair first with a volumizing spray and massage it into your hair to make sure that it holds the style. Work from the root to the tips to give more dimension to your hair from the top. Section your hair into 2 halves and use a round brush inwards. Repeat this process as you continue to section your hair. As you go higher, use a thicker brush to give you the intense volume at the crown. And there you have it, beautiful blown out waves. While beautiful round curls look amazing, it's the people who have them know what a task it can be to maintain them. Frizzed out, dry and unmanageable curls are the common battles for all curly hair beauties. Since curly hair loses its hydration faster than any other, oiling plays a major role in both adding life as well as shine. Olive oil is a natural conditioner that is going to come to your rescue. Mix it with a few drops of vitamin E oil and apply. Put it on your roots and scalp sparingly, just enough to moisturize them. Do this once a week for best results. While washing, focus more on your roots so that you cleanse away the dirt without stripping your curls of the shine. Argan oil and curly hair are best friends as they will define your curls, keep your frizz at bay and make your curls much more manageable. Use it as a leave-in conditioner for happy, healthy curls. Since curls need upkeep, a hair rinse once a week becomes vital for healthy growth. Add some shikakai seeds to a bowl of water and let it sit overnight. Add 2 tablespoons of glycerin to it and add the mixture in a spray bottle. Spritz this mix on your hair and scalp and leave it on for some time. Wash it to find much better hair texture. If you have dry and damaged hair, it's time to shower your mane with a little bit more of love. First things first, go for a nourishing cream-based shampoo that nourishes and hydrates dry strands while cleansing your scalp. Your conditioner process should be twofold. First is going in with a conditioner that intensively moisturizes and repairs your dead ends. Second is using a leave-in conditioner to add shine and strength that will leave your hair feeling softer and stronger the whole day. Since damaged hair is more prone to breaking while wet, use a t-shirt or a hair wrap that is gentle yet absorbent. Replace intensive styling tools like straighteners and curlers with blow dryers, which should be used at least 8 inches away to minimize damage. We hope that this list of do's and don'ts help you out and make you love your natural hair a little bit more. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.